What kind of e-bike you got there?
A juiced rip racer.
Juice Rip Racer.
Yeah, it's called a Baja Blue color.
It's fun to ride?
Yeah, it's real fun.
Yeah. I see you got a fender on it. You got a, what's that thing, rack?
A relay rack.
Rack.
It holds a little trunk thing. Bag.
Bike bag?
Yeah.
Hold stuff in?
It's insulated inside. It's got a cup holder in the back.
Yeah. And make sure you tighten that thing down.
To keep the bottle from falling out.
Yeah, you got a brake light and a head or tail light and a camera.
Yeah.
That's a pretty nice e-bike.
Camera, take pictures in the back.
Okay, let's see what you got in the pouch.
Okay. It's got a zipper on top.
Okay, oh, you got, is that the, what is that?
I got a Bible in there. King James
Bible,
Version.
that's good. That's the best reading.
Yeah.
Read and obey, for there's no other way.
Yeah.
You got a juice rip racer seat.
Yeah.
You got handlebars.
Cup holder up there too.
Throttle on the right.
Yeah.
Brakes on the left and right.
That's a display for the camera, rearview camera. That's the control panel.
Oh, you got the mirrors on there. Oh, I like mirrors.
Yeah, they help you so you don't have to twist your head when you're looking behind you.
There's a GoPro camera there.
Yeah, GoPro camera.
Yeah, that's good.
Big side view mirrors.
Okay, well, thank you for watching there.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.